Hi, welcome to the Improved Garage YouTube channel. If you haven't subscribed, please click the button. Today, I'm going to be showing you how to replace the spark plugs and wires on this 1990 Mazda Miata. So, this is 1991. So this is an NA Miata, has a 1.6 liter dual overhead cam Mazda 4-cylinder in it. We have our plug wires right here on top. These are aftermarket plug wires, NGKs. The car's having a stumbling issue, and I'm hoping that this is something as simple as these spark plugs. So the first thing to be aware of is the order. So if you look from right to left, this is number 4, number 1, number 2, number 3. That is the way that they're supposed to be from the factory. I will say that I read some things online that said that 4 and 1 can be interchanged and 2 and 3 can be interchanged. I'm not sure, but that's the way that it was from the factory, so that's the way that we're going to do it. So the first thing we want to do is we want to remove these plug wires. So we can remove, we're going to give this a little twist and then pull. Pull this. So those have been removed. Now, we want to pull the plugs. So you're going to need a 5/8 ratchet. I like these magnetic ones. This is a Duralast. It came from AutoZone. It's pretty cheap. I'm using a 3/8 extension. So we just want to loosen that up. And then we can take it out by hand. So plug. And we'll do the same for the other 3. Okay, so the next thing we'll be doing, I have 4 spark plugs. I'll unbox these. Now these are the factory plugs, NGK BKR6E-11. So these are pre-gapped. That's what the 11 is. It's a 1.1 millimeter gap, which is what the car is supposed to be from the factory. So we'll get these installed one at a time. We'll start from the back, go to the front. I like starting spark plugs by hand. Keeps you from cross-threading them and using a ratchet to ruin the threads in the car. So once I get them started, I can finish them with my ratchet. And that one's good. Here's our second one. Same deal, start it by hand. Okay. So, I'm actually curious if my stumbling issue is the wires or the plugs. So I think I'm going to put my factory wires back on, and we will see if that works. So that's number 4. And number 1. Number 2. Obviously the previous owner didn't put these retainers in the right spot. So, all right, start it up and see what happens. Still running like crap. Alright, so it's still running like crap. We're gonna have to figure out what's going on. It really hesitates when we open it up. So I'm not sure if it's something fuel related or if it's a timing issue or what. The compression's pretty good, so keep going from there. Thank you for watching.